time to sleep. But when I wake up in the morning, I take time to see the beautiful things around me. Thank God these are for free. The green trees stand so tall, so everyone could see them all. Look up! There's the bright blue sky, telling me not to give up and try. The song of the birds is so sweet. It's really the way they breathe. Fragrant flowers smell so good. They brighten everything and everyone's mood. All good things are outpouring. They are really God's blessings. The flickering stars light the sky.